Here's a quick and dirty on how to pick the Fediverse platform that is right for you. There's no easy way to decide which platform is best for you. I'll be making videos discussing them in much more depth, but think about it like the differences between Twitter and Facebook, except they can mostly interact with each other and post to each other, and they all have a collection of different servers you need to join. This is going to barely scratch the surface, but even then will be too long to be truly called a short. Here's a quick and dirty of the most popular ones. Pixelfed is an Instagram clone. It's very zen and wholesome. I love it. Share your art and short videos and photos. Lemmy is a Reddit clone. Diaspora is a Google Plus clone. Essentially to the point that many Diaspora developers claim G Plus use features from Diaspora, though Google says that's not true. Many G Plus users migrated to Diaspora after G Plus died. Peertube is a YouTube clone. Mastodon and Pleroma are a Twitter Tumblr clone. Mastodon is the most popular site, but have more people on the social justice side, while Pleroma has less features and is more likely to be the zone of free speech absolutists. Friendica is a G+, MySpace, Facebook, and Twitter clone. Basically all the social media platforms combined. As an extra bonus, it has the ability to run Twitter and RSS feeds through it, which shields you from so much of the toxicness of Twitter. It has no chat feature though, and since it's so bulky, you can't easily cut and paste photos, but since it's so integrated with Twitter, I just use the Twitter app as a tool for sharing articles and pictures easily through that. Matrix is a Facebook Messenger clone with chat rooms. Hubzilla is a programmer social media site, highly editable, lots of plugins, and can host a website, but may be too complex for the average user, though it has many of the same features as Diaspora. And it has the features of being able to be cloned across different servers, so if one server ever goes down, you never have to do a migration where much of your past post history is lost. Misskey is a very new one from Japan with a lot of features, customizations, and plugins. I personally recommend it if you don't have Twitter and therefore you don't feel the need for complexity of Friendica. It also essentially can install itself as a fully functioning app on at least Android direct from Chrome. The only thing I dislike about it is the feed stream, and I feel it's a bit too messy and not visually large enough, but the in-program translation feature makes up for that, with any person I follow who doesn't post to English is now in Misskey. And there are more specialized platforms. Special mentions are Mobilize-On and Bonfire, who are meetup alternatives to organized community. Funk Whale, a music sharing site. Bookworm is a Goodreads alternative. Owncast is a Twitch alternative, and Bloom and Write Freely are WordPress alternatives. I have a link in the bottom of the spreadsheet of the features of each platform. It might take trying a few platforms to decide which one is right for you, but you can treat that as either a bug that causes you stress so you avoid it, or a feature of exploring and enjoying. Try as many platforms as you want till you find the one that's right for you.